You will love the features of this 2021 GMC Canyon. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, power passenger seat, backup camera, premium sound system, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive. Feel confident and relaxed wherever the road takes you in this capable Canyon. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.